Welcome back. 2 trucks loaded with laterite stones were raided by Vigilance and Mines Department on Tuesday. The trucks were raided at Maulinge, Bicholim. The trucks are in the custody of Bicholim police station.
Vigilance departmenटाकडे एक सोर्स इन्फॉर्मेशन आयिल्लें काही दीस पयलीं मावळिंग ह्या गांवांत इल्लीगल चिऱ्यांची खणी चलताय म्हणून आमी मागीर तें इन्फॉर्मेशन व्हेरीफाय केलें एडवान्स टीम धाडून मायनिंगची डायरेक्टरेटचे एक जॉयंट ऑपरेशन थेयलें आनी आयज आमी येवन 2 ट्रक डिटेन केल्ले आसा. दोनी ट्रकांक मेळोन 400 फातर आसा भितर. ती एरियाय बी आमी मापल्या आनी त्या प्रमाणे मागीर मायनिंग डिपार्टमेंट आपली फॉर्मेलिटी करतले.
We intercepted them, detained at the Bicholim police station for further investigation.
Any fine for the?
Yes, only after recovering a fine that is compounding of offence, we will release it. That is as per the mineral concession rules.
A lady was attacked at Sarauli on Monday evening. Emma Costa was attacked by one Yulos Gomes. Emma had filed a complaint against an illegal construction in an agricultural field. Yulos suddenly attacked her and damaged her vehicle. He also tried to assault the lady. A complaint has been filed against Yulos with Sarauli police.
On Monday, Emma Costa was driving on her way back home when Yolod attacked her with a pickaxe. He damaged her vehicle and tried to assault her. Yolod was furious as Emma had filed a complaint against his alleged illegal construction in a field. Emma and 4 others had filed a complaint on illegal construction in guise of a pump house. The Panchayat had then issued stop order against the construction. Despite this order, Yolod continued with the construction.
He stopped my car and I got out of the car to ask him why he stopped me. Okay, he got the pickaxe and he started breaking all my glasses, and he came to hit me also with the pickaxe. He pushed me, so I asked him why you are doing this. He said, you do whatever you can, I don't have to answer you.
A police complaint has been filed against Yolod in Sarauli police station. Reporter Pratik Parab for Prudent.
State Information Commissioner will be appointed within a month. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar said advertisement for the post of State Information Commissioner will be published within a week. He also informed that candidate need not be a legal expert, though it would be an added qualification. Also, the candidates who had applied for the post earlier can apply again.
जर तांच्यांनी जे वेकेट केलां आसत इतले दीस जे पळय उरला इन्फॉर्मेशन कमिशन अपॉइंट न जाता हाजें कारण सुप्रीम कोर्टान तो दिल्लो जजमेंट. ताजो दोश सरकाराचेर कोणें घालपाची गरज ना, पण हांव एक एश्युरन्स दिता इमिजिएटली जर ते जजमेंट पेपरार आयला तशें आसत जाल्यार फुडल्या 8 दिसां भितर आमची एडवर्टायज येतली, म्हयन्या भितर इन्फॉर्मेशन कमिशन अपॉइंट. आमकां जाय तो मनीस ताका बरो हे आशिल्लो नॉलेज आशिल्लो शिकलेलो, प्रिफरेबली जर ताका कायद्याचें ज्ञान आसल्यार चड प्रिफर कोणें ताका म्हणलां, पण आनी न्यूट्रल आसतलो, बरें जजमेंट क्विक जजमेंट दिणारो मनीस आमकां जाय. आत्तां एक मुद्दो सांगलो पळय तो म्हाका दिसता हांव फकाणांनी म्हणलेलें, पण तो सिरियसली बरोवचो पडटलो आमकां. जो कोण इन्फॉर्मेशन कमिशन म्हणून अपॉइंट जाता ताजी मातशी चामडी दाट आसची पडटली. हें म्हणून हांव परते अर्ज मागता पळय तातूंत, कारण हे 24 जर कोणाक नाका आसत, कारण एकट्याक पयल्याक हांवें सिलेक्ट केल्लो, सिलेक्ट करतकच मागीर ताणें नाका म्हणलें कारण कोणें तरी फाटल्यान शिगमो घालो म्हणून. सो आतांय परतो शिगमो जावचो ना हाजी गॅरंटी कितें? सो लेट देम अप्लाय अगेन. नाव दे नो द कंडिशन that there are people who shout, so they are aware of it, so let them apply with that condition in mind.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.